Let's talk now about how to complete the Linear Equations and Inequalities Study Guide. If you look at the top of the page, we have our learning goals and success criteria here. And if you continue to scroll down, you'll see the questions that you'll need to answer. So you'll answer these questions on the Google Doc, and the way you're going to respond is by highlighting the correct answer. So let's look at this one. It says, which of the following notations are equivalent to the function below? Y equals 3x minus 2. Well, if we remember back to our Introduction to Functions assignment, we should recognize that y and f of x mean the exact same thing. So I can change y to be f of x. So it'll be f of x equals 3x minus 2, which is this one here. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight it, and I'm going to go to this little highlighter button here. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to highlight it and make it yellow. You can choose any color you want to highlight it. The key is just make it some color that stands out so that when I go through this, I can see exactly what your answer is right away. So that's our first one. Then we'll go to the second one. It says, what is the range of the set below? Well, the range is the y value, so it's 3, 6, 7, and 9. So 3, 6, 7, 9, which is this one here. So again, I'm going to highlight it, click on the highlighter, and highlight it in yellow. And now I have my answers. Once you're done with this entire document and you've answered all the questions, you can go back to the answer key, which is here, and check your work. So on the first one, we said that the answer was D, and this says that we did that correctly. We could check here, and it says that the correct answer for number 2 is B, which is what we got as well. So we can check our work using the answer key for the study guide. Now, to make sure that you stay on track, I have also provided you with a study guide schedule. This tells you when each of these things should be completed. So by August 9th, you should be able to complete the Introduction to Functions questions, which are numbers 1 through 5. By the 11th of August, you should be able to complete the coordinate plane questions, which is numbers 6 and 7. By the 18th of August, you should be able to complete the slope-intercept form questions, which is questions 8 through 12. By the 23rd of August, you should be able to complete the point-slope form questions, which are questions 13 through 15. By the 26th of August, you should be able to complete the Introduction to Inequalities questions, which are questions 16 through 20. And by August 31st, you should be able to complete the Graphing Linear Inequalities questions, which is questions 21 through 25.